Posted December 3, 2017. 133,734 people living with disability have at times been unable to navigate the justice system, South Australia's Legal Services Commission has conceded, but it has led to a greater effort to improve their access. New short films and audio material have been developed to help explain complex legal issues in plain language. There have been times in the past when people with disabilities have been unable to access justice because of their disability. That's a very unsatisfactory position, Commission Director Gabrielle Canny said. Equal access to justice is a fundamental part of our society. When people with disabilities are involved in the justice system, it is imperative that we take steps to ensure the views are communicated, are heard and acted on. The materials explained such things as police processes, the right to silence and the bail process. People with disabilities are much more likely to be victims of crime or to come into contact with the justice system, Ms. Canny said. It is essential they have the legal support and information they require. Legal jargon deciphered. Catherine Hall, a performer with No Strings Attached theatre company for nearly a decade, helped the legal sector develop the new resources for those with disabilities. Police and lawyers and social workers sometimes they can use big words, big terms, she said. Ms. Hall said it was important to ensure such language could be readily deciphered by people without legal expertise. Anton Sagrillo, who uses a computerized device to communicate, played an acting role in the video material and said the experience was fun. Mr. Sagrillo said the resources would help empower people with disabilities. Ms. Hall said the short films and audio material were inclusive, and their production grew from a collaborative approach. If you were to have that portrayed with just voiceovers and people without lived experience of disabilities, it can be seen like you're being told instead of shown, she said. To actually see people with disabilities in the material helps people with disabilities understand that it is for them. Ms. Hall said the need for legal knowledge sometimes arose urgently. Being arrested or being a victim of crime happens so quickly that you can get to a point where it's like being a deer in the headlights, she said. The Legal Services Commission is able to supply people with the new resource materials. Topics: law, crime and justice, disabilities, access to education, Adelaide 5000, SA.